Oh, look at him. Ain't he cute? And just had to come right when we come with it. Yeah.
We're doing videos.
God, he's mad, ain't he? Or telling us to shut up one or two.
He's taking a bath, isn't he? Yeah. You see him up there sleeping in the tree?
In the tree?
Red panda.
That's a red panda. Did you see it? Oh my gosh. So we can get more people to here? I know. Oh, he's so cute. Hi. Come on. No.
Really?
Yep.
Big.
Hello, the bamboo.
That's one little out there.
That bird's little, ain't it?
Yeah.
That ain't me. That's you. Mom, Emma.
It's okay, I didn't tell him all the way here where he's going. And he's like,
Come here. Mom, I can't get down.
Uh-oh. Now you gonna get up front? There you go.
It'll be good.
Riding you a turtle.
Slow it. Here again.
Here she comes. Now we got a cute owl now, don't we?